Welcome to Bachpan. How are you all? Hope you all are staying in home and keeping yourselves safe and healthy. Welcome activities. Let us first learn few things that we need to practice daily to keep ourselves safe from COVID-19. First one, say namaste. Avoid giving shake hand. Wearing mask every time you go out. Washing your hands frequently with soap and water or sanitizer. Now we will learn a rhyme. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Next, we will learn to match the capital letters to the small letters. Our topic is match the capital letters to the small letter. Okay, this is children. This is left side. This is right side. Okay, this is left side and this is right side. Okay, first we will take first letter on the left side. Letter A. First we will take first letter on the left side, letter A. Okay, children, now let us check the letters on the opposite side or right side. Okay, first letter on the right side is small l. Small l. Okay, is small l matching with capital A? No, both are different letters. Then we will take next letter. The next letter is small n. Next letter is small n. Is small n matching with capital A? Is small n matching with capital A? No, both are different letters. Then we will take next letter. Next letter is A. Next letter is A. Okay? Is, children, is small a matching with capital A? Yes, we found it. Both are same letters. Both are same letters. So, we need to match by drawing a line from capital A to small a. So, we need to match by drawing a line from capital A to small a like this. Okay? So, we need to match by drawing a line from capital A to small a. Children, like this we need to match by drawing a line from capital D to small d. Capital D to small d. Capital J to small j. Capital L to small l. Capital N to small n. Okay? Capital D to small d. Capital J to small j. Capital L to small l. Capital N to small n. Okay, children? Okay, children? Next topic is write the small letters in correct order. Next topic is write the small letters in correct order. What is the first letter? A. What is the first letter? A. Okay, children. So we need to write A between the blue lines. Between the blue lines. What comes after A? B. What comes after A? B. We need to write B. We need to write B in top 3 lines. Okay. What comes after B? C. We need to write C between blue lines. What comes after C? D. We need to write D in top 3 lines. What comes after D? E. We need to write small e between blue lines. What comes after E? F. We need to write in top 3 lines. Okay, what comes after F? G. We need to write bottom 3 lines. Okay. What comes after G? H. We need to write H top 3 lines. What comes after H? I. We need to write I between blue lines. Okay. What comes after I? J. We need to write letters, small letter J in bottom 3 lines. What comes after J? K. We need to write K top 3 lines. Okay. What comes after K? L. We need to write L in top 3 lines. What comes after L? M. We need to write between blue lines. What comes after M? N. What comes after N? O. After O, what comes after O? P. We need to write letter P in bottom 3 lines. What comes after P? Q. We need to write Q in bottom 3 lines. What comes after Q? R. We need to write R between blue lines. Okay. What comes after R? S. We need to write letter S between blue lines. What comes after S? T. We need to write in top 3 lines. What comes after T? U. What comes after U? V. What comes after V? W. What comes after W? X. Okay, we need to write these letters in between blue lines. Okay, next, what comes after X? Y. We need to write letter Y in bottom 3 lines. What comes after Y? Z. Z. We need to write small z between blue lines. Okay, children? Next topic, write the small letters for given capital letters. Write the small letters for given capital letters. The first letter we have is capital B. Children, what is the letter? Capital B. Beside capital B, we need to write small b. What is the letter? Children, next letter, what is the letter? The letter is capital T. Beside the capital T, we need to write small t. Okay, children? Now, we will learn a short story. Okay, children? The story name is The Capsular and the Monkeys. A capsular was sleeping under a tree. The monkeys came and took away his caps. The capsular woke up and asked the monkeys to return his caps. Monkeys did not listen to him. The clever capsular threw his cap on the ground. Monkeys did the same. The capsular picked up the caps and went away happily. What is the moral? The moral of the story is there is always a way out of every difficulty. There is always a way out of every difficulty. Children, this is your homework. Complete page number 7, 8 and 9 in textbook. Thank you.